Have you ever heard a loud banging noise coming from your roof early in the morning? It might not be construction. It could be a woodpecker pecking on your metal chimney exhaust. A lot of homeowners wonder why woodpeckers do this. The answer is simple. They're not trying to damage your chimney. They're making noise on purpose. Woodpeckers use a behavior called drumming to communicate. It helps them attract mates and claim their territory. And metal surfaces like chimney vents create a louder sound than wood, almost like an amplifier. That loud hammering sound you hear is basically the woodpecker sending a message to other birds in the area. While they usually don't break through metal, repeated pecking can dent chimney caps, loosen flashing, and create a serious noise problem inside your home. If you're dealing with this issue, there are ways to stop it. Visual deterrents, protective coverings, and bird repellent solutions can help keep woodpeckers away. At Pest Pro Exterminator, we provide humane woodpecker deterrent and bird control solutions in Calgary to help protect your home from damage. With over 18 years of combined experience serving Calgary homeowners, our team focuses on safe and effective bird control solutions. Visit www.pestproexterminator.ca to learn more or book an inspection. If you hear that constant pecking on your roof, don't ignore it. The sooner you act, the easier it is to prevent costly repairs.